Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how to enter salary income details in Saral Income Tax for income tax return filing. Salary income details in Saral Income Tax can be entered in three ways: Form 16 details, monthly salary details, yearly salary details. Before starting the details entry, make sure you have Form 16 or all month pay slips from the employer. SSC details should be prepared. In case of multiple employers worked for more than one employer in the year, make sure to split the details accordingly. Now, let us see one by one the detailed entry for each of these. To enter salary details, click on Salary in TaxMeter, and the Income for Salaries window will be displayed. Here, select the type of entry to continue. Firstly, we will see Form 16 entry details. Select Form 16 from the drop-down and click on the three dotted button. The first part to be entered is the employer details, that is, employer name, employer PAN, address, TAN, employer address as in the Form 16. The TAN of the employer can be verified here. Next, enter the salary details as given in Part P of Form 16. After entering the values, save. Similarly, enter the other details like perquisites, profit in lieu of salary. To enter the exemptions applicable on salary components, click on the three dotted button against Allow Exempt under Section 10. Here, enter the salary component for which exemption is claimed. Select the subsection of 10 under which exemption is applicable and enter the amount. After entering the values, save and exit. The total taxable salary before the deduction will be calculated and displayed. Now, enter the deduction details. The standard deduction of Rs 50,000 will be considered automatically. Enter the professional tax, if any, and save the details. This will compute the taxable income for salary. Next, we will see the income details entry on monthly mode. Select monthly from the drop-down and click on the three dotted button. Here you will have different tabs for salary entry details. The first tab is where employer details have to be entered. Second tab is that of income salary. Here the summary of salary details entered in the other tabs will be shown. The standard deduction of Rs 50,000 and professional tax has to be entered here. The next tab is the main component of salary, that is basic and DA. Enter month by month and amount of each head as applicable in the payslip. If the same amount has to be updated to all months, then enable extrapolate value and then enter the first month value. The amount entered in the first month will be updated to all the months. Likewise, enter the details in the Allowance tab under the Applicable Allowances head. Here, for HRA exemption, on entering the rent paid amount and on depending on the metro city option enable, the exemption will be auto-calculated. Similarly, if the assessee is physically handicapped, then enable the checkbox which will calculate the exemption on transport allowance. Else, the exemption will not be considered. Next, if any perquisites form the part of salary, then enter the perquisites value in the tab under which the type is applicable. If any amount is recovered, then enter such amount which will auto-calculate the exempt amount. For perquisites with multi-level of exemption calculation like rent-free accommodation, enable auto value, which will help in calculating the exempt amount by considering the required parameters. The Others tab is to enter any other salary income received like bonus, leave encashment, etc. After entering all the details, save. The last type of salary entry is yearly. Select the same from the drop-down. This is similar to monthly entry, but the value to be entered in each field will be annual value under the particular head. Now, the SSC income for salary will be available for ITR computation and filing. In case the SSC has worked with more than one employer in the financial year, then in the income from salaries screen, enter the number of employers the SSC has worked with, which will increase the salary entry rows to that many. Now, differentiate the salary value for each employer and enter the details as explained before in each of the employer sections. Make sure to enable the current or latest employer for the employer with whom the SSC has worked for in the month of March of the financial year. This in total will calculate the SSC income from salary. This completes the process to enter salary income details in Saral Income Tax for income tax return filing. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.